Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try out some new holiday gift sets from Merit Beauty, and I'm so excited to try these products out because I actually use these on my day-to-day life and I really do like them. I really enjoy them. I also did a review on these on my channel not too long ago, which I'll link down below or somewhere in this video so you can check it out. But like I mentioned, I actually use these products on a daily basis and I really like them, so I'm so excited that they actually sent me some holiday gift sets so I can share with you guys and I can try out and do some swatches so you can see what they look like. Now, as always, just because they sent me these doesn't mean that automatically I'm going to tell you that they're worth the money and that I think they're the best thing in the world. I'm going to do some swatches. I'm also going to let you know if I feel like that they're definitely worth the money, but these are products that I use a lot. I love the blush and I also love the lipstick. So I have the Mini Flush Balm Trio, which are 3 of their blushes. Then I have the Dress Code set, which is 3 of their lipsticks. Now I love the shade Ginger in the lipstick. I use it a lot. It is so beautiful. The formula is amazing. And then also I use the blush a lot as well. So this one is the shade Beverly Hills, and that is what it looks like. So I tried this out in a video not too long ago. The shade is perfect for my skin tone, pale skin and also tan skin, and they blend out amazingly. It's like a dream. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try these out. I'm going to do some swatches. I'm going to try them out on my skin as well so you can see what they look like. As you can see, I don't have any blush on and I also don't have any lipstick on because I really want to try this out and see how they go. So I'm going to go ahead, zoom in, and we're going to try out these products. I've zoomed in so we can test out the first product, and this is the Mini Flush Balm Trio. Now this looks really good. You get 3 different shades of the blush in here. They are half the size of a normal blush. Now a normal size of the blush is £32, but you can get the trio for £43. Now that actually works out really good because it's actually going to be more expensive if you were to buy 3 of these separately in the smaller sizes. So you actually save money from buying these, which is really good. And also, if you don't know if you're going to like a shade, it's good to get half the size because you might not like it in the end and then you might feel like, oh, I've wasted all of my money on a blush shade that I don't like. So the fact that you can try out 3 different shades is really good. So you get 3 shades in here. You get Mood, Stockholm and Bespoke. Mood is a soft burgundy, Stockholm is a baby pink, and Bespoke is a brown pink, which is limited edition. So this is what the packaging looks like. I would be so happy if I got this packaging for a Christmas present. I just feel like it is so pretty, so sleek, and I'm going to try and open it. You know what, now that I've taken out the packaging, these actually look really cute. So I'm going to show you the difference in size between this one and a standard. So this one is the normal size one that they have, and then this one is one of the ones in the gift set. So you can see it is half the size. But I feel like it's going to take a long time to get through these because I have used this so much and I have hardly made a dent in this. Literally, this used to be sort of domed at the top and it still is domed, and I've used this a lot. I use this most of the time for work and it is so good. So this is what these ones look like. They're just little tiny versions of them, which is really cute. And like I said, if you don't know if you're going to like the shade, then it's good because you can try them out. And this is what all 3 of the shades look like. So Bespoke and Mood actually look very similar to each other. I thought they'd look really different, but they're actually really similar. And then you can see Stockholm in the middle. There is a pop of pink. I'm going to do some swatches so we can see what each of the shades look like. Now I feel like the deeper shades are good for autumn and winter. Ooh, Mood is a really beautiful berry shade. Oh, that is so pretty. Then I'm going to do Bespoke next to it because they look very similar in the packaging. Okay, they actually look very different. So this one up here is Mood. This one is Bespoke. So you can see that Mood is a little bit more of a berry tone, and then Bespoke is more of a brown. And then this one is Stockholm. Ooh, that is a beautiful pop of pink. I feel like the shades that they've chosen are really good. So that is what they all look like. They look very different from each other, but in the casing, these 2 look pretty much exactly the same, which is crazy. So as you can see right next to each other, they look very similar, but then on the arm they look really different. I'm really happy with the shades that they chose for this one. I do wish that they did a quad, so then you can have a neutral shade, because then you can have a pop, then you can have 2 deeper shades, and then you can have a neutral. But I feel like these shades are really good for autumn and winter. I feel like they've really done great with that, and then also adding the pop of pink is great for spring and summer as well. So I'm really happy with this. Let me do a swatch of Beverly Hills just so you can see the difference. So you can see that Beverly Hills, ooh, I don't know if you can see. So Beverly Hills is like a neutral shade compared to the pop of pink there. Looks really good. I love all of these shades, so I'm actually really happy with it. I think I'm going to go into the deep berry shade. So I'm just going to do what I usually do with these blushes. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to press it on. because I don't want to add too much of it because it's so dark. And then I'm just going to take my beauty sponge. This is clean, it's just very stained. And I'm just going to blend it out. I thought this would be really dark, but I feel like because I used a light hand, it's not as dark. That is really, really nice. I'm going to add a tiny bit more because I really like it. That shade is absolutely stunning on the cheeks. I feel like it goes really well with this makeup look as well. It's not too dark. I thought it'd be really, really dark, but it's not. It's like a really beautiful berry shade. But obviously I didn't use a massive amount of these because I don't want it to be super dark. I'm actually going to go ahead and use the pink shade because I want to see what the pop of pink looks like. I was just going to sort of do one shade, but I want to try out two of them and see what they look like. And then I can sort of blend them together so it doesn't look like I have odd colours on the cheeks when I go out. I actually really like both of these shades. So this one is the berry shade and then this one is the pink shade. They blend out like a dream, really buttery, really creamy. I like both of them. I actually feel like I'm looking in the mirror behind here and I actually feel like I prefer the berry shade, which is a shock for me because I really like pops of pink. It's not OTT, you can build it up. It looks very, very nice. Yeah, I really like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of pink on this side, and then I'm going to add a little bit of, was it Mood? And then I'm going to add a little bit of Mood on this side because then I can blend them both together. Blush is done and it looks absolutely beautiful. I love both of the shades. I feel like that they are so pretty. They're not OTT, they're very nicely pigmented as well. Blend like a dream. They are creamy, buttery, smooth. These are the perfect cream blushes. I absolutely love them. They are so pretty. Also, I don't need highlighter with these as well. I never wear highlighter when I have these blushes on just because they are so glowy anyway on their own. So far I really like two of the shades. Well, I like both of the shades that I've tried out today, but all three of the shades look absolutely beautiful, especially when they're swatched. And it's the same formula as the originals. Love them. All these shades are so pretty. So now that I've finished with the blush and it looks absolutely beautiful, I'm going to go ahead and try out the lipstick set. So this is the dress code set. You get 3 lipsticks and all of them are limited edition. So you get Bespoke, which is a lightweight satin lipstick, Black Tie, which is a lightweight matte lipstick, and Du Jour, which is a lightweight lip blush. So this one is actually a limited edition shade and finish. So you get 3 different finishes in there, 3 different shades. And I don't really know what shades are going to be like, but it looks like from the back that you get 2 deeper shades and then 1 brighter shade, just like with the blushes. I'm hoping that Bespoke is going to be the same shade as the blush because then they'll pair very, very well together. Again, I absolutely love the packaging of this gift set. I feel like that they really know how to do packaging. It feels really thick and sturdy. It's really thick cardboard as well. So we are going to try out these lipsticks and see what they look like. Now this one is exactly the same packaging as Ginger, so I know that this one's going to be the same formula as Ginger. It is one of my favourites. It's sort of sheer, but then it builds up really nicely as well. Again, packaging of the lipstick is absolutely beautiful as always. Now this gift set retails for £63. All 3 of the lipsticks are limited edition, so if you do want to get your hands on any of these, make sure you go ahead and get the gift set. Each one of these lipsticks retails for £28 on its own, so you actually save quite a lot of money. I think you save about £20 from buying this set. Yeah, you save about £20 from buying this set, so pretty much you get almost an entire lipstick for free, which is great. So let us see what these look like. So with Bespoke, yes, this looks exactly like the blush. Very, very pretty. I'm going to do swatches as well so you can see what the formula looks like and also what the shades look like as well. And then this one is Black Tie. Ooh, is this a matte? Yeah, this one's a matte shade. It's sort of like a purple shade. This looks like it's going to go really well with this blush. And then this one is Du Jour, which is the lip blush. Ooh, okay. This one looks like it's going to go well with a lot of different lip combos. I feel like this one is going to be a shade that everyone's going to love because it's more of a nude. That's crazy because these are literally the exact same shades as the blush. So these are the lipsticks and then these are the blush. Oh, you can't even see. I'm going to try and put them together. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but hopefully you can see that they are pretty much exactly the same as the blush, which I think is fantastic because then if you like the shade of the blush, you have a lipstick that's going to go with it. I'm actually really happy with these. They look so good. Right, I'm going to do some swatches on my hand so you can see the blush and also the lipsticks together. I literally have swatches pretty much everywhere, but there we have it. These are the blushes and the lipsticks. So you can see that they pretty much are almost exactly the same. So here we have Bespoke, then we have Mood and Black Tie, and then we have Du Jour and Stockholm. So we have pinky shades here, we have sort of like the reddy shades there, and then we have the brown there. They look so good. I love all of these formulas. They feel really nice and creamy. This one definitely though is my favourite formula out of all three of them, just by doing a swatch, because it's so creamy and you can build it up as well. I'm going to go from the lighter shade to the deeper shade just because I feel like that if we went from the deepest to the lightest, it can leave some residue on there and some colour. So we're going to go in with Du Jour. I'm not going to put any lip liner on because I want you to see what the colour looks like and then also what the formula looks like as well. Oh, that feels so good. So this is what this one looks like, Du Jour. I love the formula of it. I love the shade of it. It looks a lot lighter on my lips than it does on here. I feel like this looks like my lips but better. I love how it looks on the lips as well because it doesn't look too opaque. It feels very creamy on the lips. Very, very comfortable. Absolutely love this one. So yeah, this one, very pretty. I will definitely be using this. I feel like this goes with his makeup look. And then let's try on Bespoke. This one, like I said, is a formula that I absolutely love. Oh, this shade is beautiful. This is like one of those where it is perfect for autumn and winter, but it's not too deep. I feel like this will look good with pretty much every single skin tone. Oh, I love this. I love the feeling of it, so creamy. The shade is really beautiful as well. I feel like with a lip liner this will look absolutely stunning. And then finally we have Black Tie, which is a signature matte lip. Now I don't really use matte lips because I feel like they're quite drying on the lips, so that's just really why I don't wear them. So we'll see what this formula is like. This might be my favourite one for the makeup look. I feel like that it will look much better with a lip liner. Still feels creamy. Yeah, I like this one. I feel like this one is really, really pretty, but I don't know if it's a little bit OTT. No, I actually really like this one. I actually really like all three of these formulas, which is crazy for me because I really don't like matte lipsticks. But this feels very creamy, doesn't feel drying, feels very conditioning on the lips. I really like it. I love the shade of it as well. I'm going to be putting a lip liner with it because this one I'm going to finish my makeup look with because it is so nice. All three of these shades, absolutely love them. I feel like they'll look amazing with every single skin tone as well. So I'm going to go ahead, put on some lip liner and then look in natural lighting and then come back, let you know what I think of these products, if I'd recommend them or if I wouldn't. This is what the finished makeup looks like and I feel like it looks so beautiful. I've looked in natural lighting and it is absolutely stunning. The blushes are beautiful. They have a really nice glow to them. The lipstick is so pretty as well. It paired really well with the lip liner. This one, I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but I used the Natural Collection Mulberry lip liner because this one was the closest one that I could find to this lipstick that I have because I just don't wear lip shades that are this colour. I know that some people love having deeper lipsticks. That's what I used to love a few years ago when it was autumn and winter, but now I sort of go for like nudes and brown shades. But this one has actually taken me out of my comfort zone because I don't wear matte lipsticks, I don't wear deep lipsticks like this, and I feel like it is so pretty. Now I did ask Neil what he thought of the lipstick and he said that he thought it was quite dark, and I was like, yes, that's the point of it. So I don't feel like he's the biggest fan of it, but all of these formulas are so pretty. The blushes, every single shade of the blushes are so nice. Every formula of the lipstick is really nice and creamy and buttery and smooth, and you can feel it really conditioning on the lips. I like the fact that you have 3 different shades as well, and I feel like it is fantastic that the lipsticks and the blushes all go well together because you can create whichever type of look that you want to. So you can create 3 different looks from using these 2 kits. So you can do a sort of pinky neutral look, then you could do sort of like a berry shade look, and then also a brown tone. So I feel like that is so good that they've paired those together, because sometimes it's one of those where you can get 2 different sets and they just don't go well together. These pair fantastic together. So if you do buy both of these sets for somebody, or if you buy them for yourself, you can create these looks and they are so good. I love the formula of everything. I love the fact that they're all cruelty free as well, and I feel like this is going to look so well with every single skin tone because you have 3 different types of shades right here. Like I said, I'm somebody that doesn't really go for deep lips, but this looks good, it feels so nice as well. So even if I didn't get these sent to me, I actually probably would purchase these because both sets are really good. They're great for gifts, great for yourself as well. And also if you've got 3 friends and you don't know what to get for, you can literally buy both the set, give them a blush and a lipstick each, and then they can create whichever look that they want to. Because I have a friend who uses bold and bright shades. I also have a friend that uses pink shades, and then there's me that has sort of like brown shades. And I feel like that you can get 3 gifts out of these sets, and also the fact that you can save money on them as well. Also that if they don't like the blush shade, you've only given them half the amount as well. They're so creamy, buttery smooth. Love every single lipstick and blush that I've tried out today. I feel like the shades are so good. Also, like I said, they pair so well together as well. And I can't really say much more other than that I love these gift sets, and I feel like I might actually purchase some more for presents for people because I feel like that they are that good, and I feel like they're definitely worth the money. So this is what I think about the 2 new holiday gift sets from Merit Beauty. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out anything from Merit and you like it, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!